So for like $19,000, you could buy a decent used car.
Oh, yeah, you definitely could.
Or, you could buy a 1RU metal box that actually doesn't even have Wi-Fi. Welcome to today's deep dive.
It sounds like a terrible deal when you put it like that.
Right. I mean,
Ew.
we are looking at this highly technical product page from HDTV Supply for the AJ-A-Bridge Live 3G8 Turnkey System. And our mission today is to figure out why a single piece of rack hardware costs exactly $18,999.
Well, the short answer is that this little black box is the invisible infrastructure that makes high-quality, low-latency live streaming possible for you.
Right.
It really handles the absolute heaviest lifting in the broadcast world.
I kind of think of it like a massive logistical shipping yard for data.
Uh-huh.
Because it's taking uncompressed raw 3G-SDI feeds and instantly packaging them into IP streams.
Exactly, and it's not just passing video through either. It is actively and mathematically compressing massive pixel-dense SDI data into really efficient H.265 or MPEG-2 packages.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then firing them across the globe and unpacking them on the other side in just milliseconds.
That is insane.
It really is. And doing that simultaneously while also managing bidirectional NDI to SDI conversions without dropping a single frame wall that requires staggering processing power.
But wait, okay, so you're talking about all this cutting-edge internet tech for
Right.
packing and unpacking IP streams, but looking at the back of this $19,000 unit, there isn't a single antenna.
Yeah, no antennas at all.
Like no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Why is a modern IP device completely tethered to cables?
So the thing is, in mission-critical broadcasting, a wireless signal is a massive liability.
Oh, right. I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, you can't have a live global broadcast drop just because of some unexpected localized radio interference.
Right, like someone turns on a microwave and the whole broadcast goes down.
Exactly. So this machine relies purely on robust hardwired connections. We are talking dual 1 gigabit Ethernet ports and 8 bidirectional 3G SDI ports.
Wow, 8 of them.
Yeah, when millions of people are watching you, it just has to be an unbreakable physical link.
Because the stakes are just too high.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're coordinating a live global event,
Yeah.
pulling in remote feeds from across the world, you absolutely need that unbreakable link holding everything together.
Right. So imagine a broadcast facility receiving 3 incoming encoded camera feeds from a remote location.
Okay.
The Bridge Live decodes those IP streams back into physical SDI video in real time so the production team can edit and mix them live.
Right.
And concurrently, it is sending a program return feedback to the remote location so the remote crew can see the live mix as it happens.
So the next time you watch a live remote news broadcast with 3 perfect synced angles from different continents,
Yeah.
you're watching that shipping yard in action.
You really are. It is effortlessly juggling up to 8 HD channels at once, making the impossible look completely seamless.
It's wild.
It truly is the critical bridge between traditional physical broadcasting and modern IP architecture.
But with stakes this high, you can't just click Add to Cart, right? I mean, users are relying on the actual human engineering reps at HDTV Supply to design these complex workflows.
Yeah, that human element is crucial.
Actually, customers in the reviews specifically shout out folks named Mike and Rachel for their expertise. Like, buying top-tier zero-fail technology still desperately requires human guidance to get it right.
Which honestly brings up a really fascinating structural question about the future.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, right now, this $19,000 device exists specifically to bridge the physical gap between SDI video cables and IP networks.
Right. But as technology evolves, what happens to the broadcasting industry when those physical video cables become completely obsolete?
Exactly.
Like, what happens to that gap when every professional camera natively speaks IP right out of the box?
Okay.
Does this $19,000 pizza box just disappear, or does it learn a new language?
That is the big question.
Definitely something for you to ponder the next time you tune into a flawless live stream.